Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the validation using regular expression in JavaScript. JavaScript can be used to validate data in HTML forms before sending off the content to a server. Form data that typically are checked by a JavaScript could be: has the user left required fields empty? Has the user entered a valid email address? Has the user entered a valid date? Or has the user entered text in numeric field? Regular expression. JavaScript regular expression is the very powerful tool and performing for the pattern matches. There are several categories for this regular expression. First, position matching. If you wish to match a substring that occurs at a specific location within the large string, for example, a substring that occurs at very beginning or end of a string, we can use this caret symbol to check if that substring is at the beginning of a string or not. And we can use this dollar symbol to check whether that substring is at the end of the string or not. Literals. The backslash is also used when you wish to match a special character literally. For example, if you wish to match the symbol dollar literally, instead of having it signal the end of the string, you can use like this backslash and then dollar. Character classes. You can write some characters inside bracket. It matches any one character and enclosed in the character set. You may use a hyphen to denote regular. For example, if you write A to Z into brackets, it means it matches any letter in the alphabet. Or you can write 0 to 9 digit into the brackets to check any single digit. Then dot. Dot matches any character except new line or any other special character. Repetition. If you write any digit inside this curly braces, it matches exactly X occurrence of a regular expression. This is the example. Here /t, it means any digit. If you want to write exactly 5 digits, then you should follow this syntax. It matches exactly 5 digits. Here in curly braces, starting digit, then comma, and then none. It matches X or more occurrence of a regular expression. Here starting with ending digit. It matches X to Y number of occurrence of a regular expression. Here question mark match 0 or 1 occurrence. Same way star match 0 or more occurrence. And plus match 1 or more occurrence. Then alternation and grouping. Here this bracket is used together to create a clause, maybe nested. And this symbol is used for the alternation. Here this is example. We can use AB or CD or EF in this example. Now let's see one simple example for this regular expression. This is simple number validation example. Here this is our pattern match. We should write this pattern in between forward slashes. Okay, this caret is used for the beginning of the string. Then I have written 0 to 9 digit into bracket. It means it checks 0 to 9 digits. It does not contain any alphabet and it must be exactly 5. This is our function to check this regular expression. Here we have used test function Here variable r, which is regular expression, then dot test function, which contains the text from the input to check the validation. This test returns boolean. If it matches successfully, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now, let's see the output. Here I am going to write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can write any 5 number and then press this button, so it shows the success. If I will write 6th number and then press the button, it shows not success. It means test function returns the false value. Now let's check email validation. Here this is simple email validation. We should write our regular expression match into forward slash. This caret is used for the starting. Then inside this bracket we have written A to Z, it means capital letter. Then we can use small letters, digits, dot, underscore, percentage, plus or dash sign. Then plus @ symbol. Then we can use A to Z or capital letter, small letter, digits and dash only. Then plus. If we want to check special character like dot, we should write like this, backslash and then dot, plus this same way. Now let's check the output. Here I am going to write simple email gmail.com. Press me. So it is success, but I skip this dot. Then let's see what happens. Not success. So I hope now you have clear idea about this regular expression and how to use this regular expression into our form validation.